Unscrambling the phrase, egg noodle. Hello, dear learners. Today, we are diving deep into the world of English phrases. Specifically, we're going to unscramble the phrase, egg noodle. By the end of this video, you'll not only know what it means, but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. Egg noodle is a compound noun made up of two words, egg and noodle. Egg. This refers to the oval or roundish body produced by birds, particularly chickens, used for food. We often think of them as having a yellow yolk inside a white shell. Noodle. A noodle is a type of food made from dough, often made of wheat, that is boiled in water. It's long and thin, and is a staple in many cuisines around the world. When combined, the phrase refers to a specific type of noodle that is made using eggs as one of its main ingredients. While the term egg noodle primarily refers to the aforementioned food, context matters. In some situations, it might be used in a more casual or playful manner to describe something tangentially related, but it's essential to understand the primary meaning to catch these nuances. To further understand how the phrase is used, let's look at a few examples. 1. I prefer egg noodles in my chicken soup because they're richer in flavor. 2. The recipe calls for 2 cups of boiled egg noodles. 3. When making homemade pasta, some people opt for egg noodles due to their rich and chewy texture. These examples show that the term is versatile and can be used in various contexts, mostly related to food and cooking. And that's a wrap on our journey into the phrase, egg noodle. We hope this video has shed some light on its meaning and usage. Remember, language is an ever-evolving tool, and understanding the nuances of phrases will always serve you well. Keep exploring, and happy learning!